How to transfer Robux when trading. But first, let's talk about the things you should know. To participate in the trading system and include Robux in trades, both players must have an active Roblox premium subscription. Number 2. The trading system is primarily designed for exchanging limited or limited U items. You cannot initiate a trade with just Robux alone. You must include at least one tradable limited or limited U item. Number 3. The amount of Robux you can add to a trade is limited. It cannot exceed 50% of the current value of the limited or limited U items being offered in the trade. Then the question is how to do it. Navigate to the profile of the player you want to trade with, and on their profile, click the three dots in the top right corner and select Trade Items. A trade window will open, showing the tradable limited or limited U items in both your inventory and the other player's inventory. Select the limited or limited U items you wish to offer from your inventory. Below the item selection, you'll see an option to add Robux to the trade. Enter the desired amount of Robux you wish to include. Remember the 50% value limit and the 30% fee.